This video demonstrates how to remove the belt clip from a Vertex or Motorola FNB-V133LI battery. You need a screwdriver with a small tip and, of course, the battery and clip. The first thing you notice is that there's a release tab right here. And that release tab is what you need to get the screwdriver underneath so that the tab pushes up against the metal of the belt clip itself. And we're just going to insert it there as far as we can make it go. And then we're going to tip it down onto the desk for leverage. I'm going to use my index finger to push upward on the belt clip while using the screwdriver in an up and down motion to kind of release the clip as we go. And it's going to take a little bit of practice, but you'll get good at it after you've done this a few times. I still haven't developed it to a form of an art, but as you can see, with a little bit of effort, it comes right off. Now, this was exacerbated by the fact that there's dirt and grunge on the clip itself and on the clip receptacle on the back of the battery. Probably the reason that you're trying to do this is because you had to replace the battery and need to get the clip off so that you don't have to buy a new clip. And this is the way you do it. When you get the new battery, you just simply take the clip, insert it into the slot, push down, and it's back on. So that's how to take this battery and remove the belt clip from it. Hope you enjoyed this video.